Hi, welcome to Maths Nibuna, your maths buddy. Okay, look at question 1. The diagram shows a shape made from 10 squares of side length 1 centimeter. That means the length from here to here is 1, 1, 1, all 1. Joint edge to edge. What is the length of its perimeter? Okay, so what we do? Okay, what I can do, I draw first. Okay, but you don't need to draw anything, you just can plus all the outmost sides to get the perimeter. Okay, no need to draw, right? This I just draw to show you only. Okay, now you see this is the shape we have. So they say each side is 1 centimeter. That means we just count from this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter is 18. Answer is B. Okay, question 2. When the answer to the following calculation are put in order to smallest to largest, which will be the middle? Okay, we just count first. We just plus first. A is what? 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. So equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 is 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, B 12 plus 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 plus 12. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3. Okay, C just plus, just add as normal. It's 45. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1, 6, 8. So D is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then the E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the largest one. So this the smallest is this one. So this is number 1. The second is this one. Okay. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is the largest. So the middle should be number 3. So the answer is D. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. Okay, who is the mother of the daughter of Anna's mother's mother? Okay, first look at the bottom there. Anna's mother's mother. That means we have Anna. Okay. Her mother's. Okay. Mother should be her grandmom. Correct. Okay. Mother's mother is your grandmother. Okay, now we look at the top one. Who's the mother of the daughter? Okay. Mother of the daughter. Okay, let's say mother of the daughter. This is daughter. Who's the mother? The person itself. Mother of the daughter is the person itself. So now we want to know who is grandmother's mothers of the daughter. That means the answer should be grandmom, that person itself, the mothers of the daughter. Okay, so the answer is E, Anna's grandmother. This type of question you have to read carefully, and that only can decide. Sometimes it can be confused. Question 4. When Cosmo wears his new shirt properly, as shown on the left, okay, like this. So I say the horizontal strips form 7 closed rings. That means it will have a closed ring like this. Okay, and the 7 closed ring, it will be around your waist. This morning he buttoned his shirt wrongly, as shown in right. Okay, so how many closed rings were there around Cosmo's waist? Okay, now when he buttoned wrongly, okay, okay, let's say this is how he buttoned. Okay, this one will goes here. Okay, and then this one will connect it to the bottom one, correct? Previously this was like this. Previously this is straight, but now it will be goes down, and then this one will goes down, then this one will goes down, then it will be like this. Okay, okay, this one will be like this. Okay, then this will never give you any perfect circle. Okay, so the answer is A, 0. That means there will no, we don't have any closed string. Okay, in the calculation shows each letter stands for a digit. Means A is 1 digit, B is 1 digit, C is 1 digit, and D is 1 digit. They are used to make some 2-digit numbers. Okay, that we know that. The question said AB plus CD equal to 79. Now we have to find the sum of AD plus CD plus AB plus CB. Okay, so that's the sum. Okay, now when we see this one, we can see that here we have A, B, C, D. So there's a B, there's a CD. Okay, when we add these two, AD, AB, and CD, each will be 79. Okay, so what we have remaining now is AD plus CB. AD plus CB is how much? Okay, AD plus CB, I can exchange these two. If I exchange these two as a AB, CD, okay, I can do it because just we are going to plus. So it is become same as the previous one, which is AB plus CD. It should be also 79. So that means 79 plus 79 is our answer. 79 is 158. So the answer should be B. Okay, question 6. The sum of 4 consecutive integer is 2. So when they say sum of consecutive integer, we can assume if first number is x, the next one should be consecutive x plus 1, then x plus 2, then x plus 3, and then so on. But here they just talk about 4 numbers. Okay, so the sum of these 4 numbers is given x plus 2 plus x plus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, it is given as 2 here. Okay, so here we just add all 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x 1, 2, 3 equal to 6 equal to 2. So you just solve this algebra. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. X equal to minus 1. The question is, what is the smallest of this integer? It is x, which is equal to minus 1. Answer is C. Okay, the year 2020 and 1717 both consist of 2-digit numbers repeated. Okay, that means the first 2 numbers 20 is repeat again 20. Same thing, 17 is repeat again as 17. Okay, now the question, how many years after 2020 will it be until the next year, which has this property? Okay, now let's say this is 2020. Okay, after that we have a 2021. Okay, so here we have a 20, here already 21, correct? So this number will increase until 21, 22, until 99. Okay, it's 20, so there is no possible there is a 20 repeat here. Okay, so after 2099 it will be 2100, and then this one this is 2100. So we have to see when this number will repeat again, it will be on 21. So from 2020 until 2021 is how many years? We just minus 21, 21 minus with 20, 20. So this is 1, this is 0, 1, 0. So 101 years. The answer is B. Question 8. Mary has 10 pieces of paper. Some of these are squares and the rest are triangles. She cuts 3 squares diagonally from center to center. She counts the total number of vertices. The 13 pieces of paper. Now she now S and gets the answer 42. Okay, how many triangles did she have before making? Okay, this question. Okay, first she have a 10 shapes. Okay, so she have a square and she has a triangle, but we don't know how many square and how many triangle. So let's say we have square is 10, so triangle should be 10 minus x, because plus 2 must be 10. Okay, so we can doesn't matter if you want to take this x, this 10 minus x, it depends to you. Okay, I just take a simple one directly. So now the square has 4 vertices and the triangle has 3. So now at the first, before she cut it into double, she has 4x plus, okay, because 4 vertices times number of squares x plus 3 10 minus x vertices. Okay, now she cut it into half. Okay, that means she will have a less 3 squares, correct? Squares will be reducing 3. Previously she has a 6 square. Now 3 squares she already cut it into 2. So she will have less 3 squares. And then the triangle, she will have an extra 6 triangle, because 1 square can make 2 triangles. So 3 squares can make 6 triangles. So she will now have 10 minus x plus 6 triangle. Okay. Now when we add these two, okay, no need to add. So now we look at the vertices. How many vertices she have? So this one have 4 x minus 3. Okay, number of vertices in a square, plus here we, okay, here this one we can say 16 minus x. So here she have 3 16 minus x triangles. So which is equal to 42. So given, 42 is given. Okay, now we solve this one. 4x, okay, 4x minus 12, okay, plus 3 times 16 is 48, minus 3x equal to 42. Okay, so 42 plus 48 is 60, 4x minus 3x is x, 48 minus 12 is 36, sorry, 36. Okay, equal to 42. So x equal to 42 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay, this is square. Okay, we have to be careful. X is your square. Now the question is, how many triangles did she have before making the cards? So the triangle should be 10 minus x. This one, which is gives us the answer 4. So answer is E. Okay, Martin made a kite by cutting a straight wooden pole into 6 pieces. So we have 1, the red color, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wooden pieces. He used 2 of them of length under 20 centimeter. Okay, what I do, I draw back the kite. Let's say this is the kite. Okay, here like this and then like this. Okay, this is 120 centimeter. This is 80 centimeter. Okay. The remaining 4 pieces connected to the midpoint. Midpoint means if midpoint of this one, midpoint of this one, midpoint of this one, this is the midpoints. You connect like this. Okay, now the question asks, how long was the pole before it was cut? It means we have to plus all these 6 lines, okay, red color lines. Okay, so 2 we already know, 120 and 80. Okay, now what we do, we have to find the rest of the length. Okay, when we see this is 120, so this one, okay, see this is the middle, okay, so we don't know the this one, but what we can we can conclude this will be, okay, this length, and this length must, if this length is x, okay, this must be x over 2. Okay, if this is x, this should be, okay, sorry, this, the rest, okay, it should be 120 minus x. Okay, if this is 120 minus x, this length will be half of the 120 minus x, because it is connected to the center. Same thing here also, because this is center, this one will be half of this one. Because this is center, this one will be half of this one. Okay, that means this length, okay, is x over 2. This length is half 120 minus x. So we see what is the length. Okay, x over 2 plus 1 over 2, 120 minus x. Okay, so we try to solve this one, x over 2 minus 60 minus plus, sorry, minus x over 2. So x over 2 cut, we have 60. That means this length is 60, and then this length also 60. Now we look at this length. Okay, so we want to see this length. Okay, the red color. Okay, if from here to here is 40, because this is half of, this is 80, this is 40, and then this should be half of the 40 is 20. If this is 20, this is also 20. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So if that this is 40, this is also 40. So now we have 80. Okay, this one, 120, this one, 60, 60. Okay, 2 times 60, and then 40, 40, 2 times 40. Okay, 60, 40 is 100. 60, 40 is 100. 120, 80 is 200. So 100 plus 100 plus 200 is 400. Okay, so the answer is 400 C. Okay, question 10. 4 points are marked on a grade of square of side length 1. So I already sketch. Okay, sorry, my drawing is not that nice. Just draw it. Okay, now they ask if we forming a triangle using 3 of these points. Okay, so when we want to form a triangle, how many triangles we can make from these 4 points is, first what we can do, maybe this is one triangle, we just connect this and this. Okay, or maybe these 3 can connect. Okay, or this one to this one, or this. Means we can make 4 triangles. Okay, first we look at we want to know the area of the smaller. So when we connect this and this is very big. Also when we connect this and this also very big, so we can just forget about it. So we just look at the 2 smaller triangles. So what are the 2 smaller triangles I can make? Okay, I use a bit red color. So it can be like this. Okay, one triangle, or maybe it can be I connect these to this, and then I connect these to this. Okay, this is the second one. So when we see sometime you can say, oh, this is the smallest one. So because we look like smallest one, but we have to prove it. Okay, so when we see this one, this triangle, okay, the orange color. Okay, this is orange color. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 box, and then we take half of the 3 box. So this should be half of 3 box, or we can be 3 over 2, 1.5. Okay, now let's say I use, let's say, green pen for this one. Okay, now I want to find the area of this one. Okay, if next time they want ask you to find this one, how you want to find it? Okay, first to find this green area, what you do, you find the, okay, let's say this one, okay, the overall. Okay, I take overall, okay, and then take half. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. You see a green color. Okay, we have 4. When I look at this line, okay, this line, it is divide half the rectangle, the 4 by 4 by 1 rectangle. Means the 4 by 1 rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4, half of the 4. This is 2. Okay, now I take this line. Okay, just now look at this line. This line is dividing this one. 1. Okay, this one. Correct. Only 3. So it is half from 3. So this is 1.5. That means I take the overall this one, I minus with this one, so I can get the inside one. That means the total is 4. Okay, sorry, if total is 4, I minus, if total is 2, first the big triangle is 4, 2. This small triangle is 1.5, so it is 0.5. So it is half. So this is 1.5 is bigger, so this is the smallest. So they ask you to find the area though. So this is the smallest area. It's this half. The answer is A.